Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do an anxiety relieving, stress relieving, and body, tension relieving with shea butter. It's going to be for your hair and for your body, so you can use it 2 in 1, okay? World Court shout out to Tiffany Marie. Thank you so much for entering, and everybody check out her channel. And congratulations on being my very first shout out. Do you guys want a shout out too? Keep watching to find out. I'm going to show you everything that I'm using. So I got some shea butter. I got the ivory shea butter. It doesn't matter if you get the yellow or the ivory. Got some olive oil. Very moisturizing for your hair and your body. When you put it on your body, it stimulates the, oh my gosh, she's so loud. I'm sorry, my mom's so ghetto. So the olive oil has, it stimulates the blood in your skin, and that makes your skin more tight. So say if like you rub olive oil, just plain olive oil over your body, it'll make your skin tighter and it circulates the blood in your skin. Okay. Grapeseed oil is super moisturizing for your skin, but also for the hair. It is a sealant oil, so that's great for your hair if you have like a low and medium hair porosity and high porosity too. Okay, sweet almond oil. Next, it's another moisturizing oil. It helps healthy looking skin, and it penetrates the blood circulation as well. And we can't get the OG coconut oil. Who doesn't know about coconut oil? It's the best. This is virgin coconut oil, cold pressed and unrefined, so it is the purest of the pure. And to get my secret ingredients, you guys have to keep watching. Excuse the background noise today, guys. My mom is making masks, so helping out with the pandemic. So hey, plus for that, if you guys need a mask, hit me up. We have tons and tons of fabric, only for $8, $10. We have Versace, Gucci for $15, and we have sports for $13. So if you guys need a face mask, hit me up and let me know. So back to the video. So first you want to get a pot with boiling water and put a glass bowl on top, and turn on the burner. And then you're going to get your shea butter first. When I was first scooping it out, I got the top on there because I am kind of frugal, so I want to get every single bit of what I bought. But right now I'm going to add about 4 big scoops of shea butter. I used a tablespoon if you're wondering, and just place that in the bowl and wait for it to start melting. This is actually my first time making this body cream. I thought I was going to make whipped shea butter, but I realized that I put too much oil, so it became a body cream, guys. So we're going to make this body cream. Next, I'm going to add some coconut oil. Make sure it is virgin, unfiltered, unrefined coconut oil. That is the best. But if you don't have that and you have other coconut oil, that's fine in your cabinet. Just go ahead and use whatever you have. And I add 2 scoops of that, so 2 tablespoons of that, give or take. Next, I'll put some olive oil, my favorite oil. I put, godly, oh my god, there's so much. I put about 4 tablespoons of that in there. I put about 3 tablespoons of the grapeseed oil and sweet almond oil bomb. I put some of that in there as well. I just started adding the oil after the shea butter started melting down a little bit. If you guys don't know about sweet almond oil, you need to get some of that. It's great for your hair and skin, very moisturizing. And I put about 2 tablespoons of that in there. And so what it looks like when it's all melted down. It takes about 5 to 10 minutes depending how high your burner is, but you don't want it to be boiling. So if it starts to bubble up, then you need to turn down your burner because it's too hot and you don't want your oils to be that hot. So it's going to take a while, but you don't want to lose any nutrients in there. So my secret ingredient number 1 is peppermint essential oil. I'm going to put about 4 drops in there, and I put it in to stimulate hair growth. Peppermint oil stimulates your hair follicles on your roots. It helps hair loss and helps to regrow your hair. So this is perfect to put into this body and hair butter. And this is CBD oil. This is where the stress relieving, the anxiety, and the body tension comes down. CBD is found to lower anxiety. If you have anxiety issues, it relaxes your body, and then that relaxes your muscles. So this is a great thing to add into this body cream. So those are my 2 secret ingredients, guys. Shh, don't comment down below. Let them watch it to see. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is put it in the refrigerator for about an hour. And when you take it out, it's going to look like this. Make sure to test it out. Put your finger in it, like I did right there if you see in the bowl, to make sure the bottom is not liquefied. And it needs to be all pretty much solid. Then you get your hand mixer out and you start mixing. Excuse me. And it's going to look like this. It's kind of like a creamy butter, kind of like a marmalade. Marmalade. And super creamy. I don't want it that creamy. If you guys like it like this texture, then hey, you can keep it like this. But I want it to be a little bit more thick. So I put it in the freezer for about 10-15 minutes and scrape the sides. And now I'm going to blend it again. And it's going to still be creamy like butter, but it's going to be a little bit thicker and a little bit fluffier than before. And it's a little bit more smooth, as you can see. It looks so pretty. It looks like ice cream, like the soft ice cream that you get like from McDonald's or something, or Chick-fil-A. It looks so good, like you want to eat it. And guys, this smells really good, like peppermint. I didn't put too much peppermint, but maybe you could put a drop or 2 more. But I didn't want it to be too overpowering, because essential oil, less is definitely more when you use essential oil. This is how it looks on my skin. It is very smooth. It soaks into the skin just like that. And it's so nice, and it smells so good on the skin. If you guys don't want your cream to be this oily, just put at least 2 tablespoons of each oil in there to make your body cream. And now I'm going to store it in a old container that I had for shea butter. I just cleaned it out and put it in there. Actually, I opened this. I didn't know I had shea butter, and I ordered some more. And I opened this one. I had this one for about 3 years, and I had a little bit of shea butter left over. Man, it stunk. It smelled so bad. Who knew shea butter could expire? Because I didn't. So now you know, guys. Shea butter expires, so use it within like 2 years, because it does expire. Here's the final result. Super creamy. It's not as thick as shea butter when you first get it. So guys, if you guys want a shout out, please comment down below this lotion bottle so I know you watched the whole video, and I will give you a shout out in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.